Hello, friends. Welcome back with another LeetCode problem. And this time we are going to solve the find index of the first occurrence in a string. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, so this is a very simple problem, a very simple problem. So we have the hashtag string and needle string. We need to find if needle exists in hashtag. So we need to return the index of the first occurrence. And if the needle is not the part of hashtag, we simply have to return the -1. Okay, and let's check for the examples first. Um, okay, so let's just start. First we get our struct, which is solution. Now, okay. So if we need to find the index of an element, then in most of the programming language, there is a already built-in functions available to handle this kind of the situations. Just like in JavaScript, we have the index of function, which I have used quite a lot in many of my projects, and I'm sure that you guys have used it too. And in the Python, C++, and Rust, we have the find function. So I will use that find function first with 3 lines. We will solve this problem. So let's just start by using the find function. We have the hashtag. We can call the find a string, and we need to pass the reference to the needle because we can't pass the ownership to the find function. It would only accept the reference. And if it's have the sum, we have the index, and we simply have to return the index kept by 30 rows. And if there's a none, then we simply have to return the -1. Okay. With these 3 lines, our problem is done and we have solved our problem. Let me run the first say that. Okay. Have the select construct and what's function name str. We need to pass the string hashtag and the needle, and for the hashtag part but side and we will pass set. Let's try to run it and shoot it. We got the 0, which is perfectly fine. Let me change into, but this time we should get the 3. We got 3, then our program is running perfectly fine, and we got 3. Our solution is working fine. Okay. So the and just a little programming tip that if you are working in any programming language and if there are built-in functions available which can solve your problem, please try to use that first because those functions were written by a very extremely professional ones, which have an idea about the tiny complexity and speed. They have checked everything, and after that they provide those functions to you. So I always do that to use the built-in function first. And if there's not a function available, then I try to write my own. Okay. For now, let me show you another solution, uh, which is like the manual one. So in Rust, like if you have this string, you can access the first character by doing this. Okay, you will get an immediate error because the strings in Rust are UTF-8 encoded. Okay, so in other programming languages you can do that, but not in Rust. Okay, what we can have, we can how we can solve it. There's a method called as bytes. We can convert our strings and we can change it to the bytes, and we will get the byte slice. Instead that we have the hashtag. Okay, and we will set that as bytes. And for the needle part, we will have a needle as bytes. Let me print these bytes so you guys have an idea that what as bytes returns us again. H, and for the needle part, and also we have to return the -1 because this function is returning the I32. Let's try to write it again. Okay. So we got the bytes, which is the 115 for SADBUTSAD, and the needle is PUD. So 98, 117, 116, which exists at index 3, and 98, 170, and 116. Okay. So this is our byte. Now what we can do? The first thing which we can do is also, I think, what thing uh will be the value of and let's try to, yeah, the score is okay. We have to compile it, and we got the 9. Okay. Okay. So the first thing, let's say, let's say if the needle is greater than the hashtag, we simply have to return the -1 because we can't check for the needle in the hashtag because length is greater than hashtag. We can say that if n dot length is greater than h dot parent, what we need to do? We have to return the -1. Okay. Now what? We got the bytes. You can say that for I n 0 to uh, 0 to h dot length, and there's a one cache in it. We have to use the -n dot length as well because we have to narrow down the window. We already knew about the needle length, and what we can do now, we need to we need a slices from the I to I, and we have to add the n dot length to it. And if it's equal to n, then what we have to do, we simply have to return the I as I32. So done, and our program is done. It will do the same thing which defined it for us. So let's first test this. Okay, let's try to. And we got the 3, which is fine. With this approach, you can easily solve this problem as well. But this is only for the learning purpose. In your real projects, please try to use the find method. And let me submit this solution. Yeah. Okay. Let's grab it. And we have to paste it here. And let's try to submit it. And it's accepted. And okay, fine. Yeah. And I hope you guys learn new thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.